Hello beautiful family members, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing my commercial donut recipe with you all and how you can package it. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel, and to all my returning subscribers, I love you all. So here are the overview of all the ingredients I'll be using. I have my flour, I've sieved it already, my yeast, egg, butter, my flavor and cinnamon powder. You can use nutmeg as well. I have powdered milk, I have sugar. So the next thing I'm going to do is to combine all my ingredients inside my mixing bowl. So I also had some salt, my sugar, and the rest of the ingredients. Please note that the full list of the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. Please check. After adding all the ingredients together, I'm going to use my mixer for the mixing process. So I'm using my mixer dough hook to mix it. So I'm going to allow all the ingredients to combine together before adding my water. Next, I'll start adding my water little by little. It's always advisable to add your water little by little because we have different brands of flour out there and they consume water differently. Even though the recipe calls for 1 cup of water, it's always advisable to add it little by little because you never can tell. The brand of the flour you are using may not be able to absorb enough water or even absorb more than that. So, and again, always scrape your batter together whenever you are mixing. So I'm going to leave it and allow the mixer to do the mixing process. And if you don't have a mixer, you can use your hand to mix this as well. So I have a detailed video on how you can use your hand to mix your donuts very well and achieve a perfect result. I'll leave the link in the description box. Please check. I also sprinkle a little bit of flour just to prevent it from sticking around the bowl. Then I also stop to scrape everything together. And then I continue mixing everything until I achieve my perfect result. Right now my dough is ready. So I'm going to confirm if this dough is ready by using this method called the window pin method, just to check if the dough is ready, and you can see how stretchy it is. So I don't need to knead this again because it's ready. So the next thing is to mold my donut, and to mold your donut you need a scale. Especially if you are going for commercial purpose, you need a scale because this is the only thing that can give you accurate size of each of the donuts. So for this video I use 60 for each of the donuts, so you can use any size depending on how big or how small you want your donut to be. Then you mold it. You can see the way I am molding it. So I mold it with my hand, then I close it. So the next thing, I sprinkle a little bit of flour, then I rub it on my work surface so that the edge or the mouth of the donut can seal properly. And then I drop it on my coated flour. So the flour is usually advisable so that it will not stick together, and for the flour you can actually reuse it. You can just sieve it back, then use it again. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of the donuts. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because on this channel I share amazing recipe that you are definitely going to love. And once you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So I finished molding my donuts and this is what I have. I just make sure that there is space in between so that by the time it doubled in size, it's not going to stick together, and leave this to rise. After about 1 hour, my donut has doubled in size and I'll proceed to frying. So I'll start by dropping my donut inside my preheated oil. Please note that whenever you are frying your donut, you fry on a very low heat. And should in case you notice that the oil you are using is too hot, please turn the light off and let it continue frying. Another thing to note is that you don't overfill your pot. When you are frying your donut, they need space so that you can flip it over. And another thing is that when you are frying, they are still going to double in size and they have to be space for it, so you don't overfill your pot with a lot of donuts. And you can see our line, how perfectly the line came out. If you notice the oil I'm using, you will notice that I have turned off the heat from the oil. Then once my donut, the other side is golden brown, then I will take it out immediately. So this is my donut and it is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this or giving this a try, and you will also be sharing your experience with me. So I'm just going to repeat the process to fry the rest of the donuts. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by dropping some comments in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and share with your families and friends. So guys, my donut is ready and this is what I have. So it's time for me to fill my donut with my filling. So I have strawberry jam, and this is the most common one you see around, and it is not that expensive. So the next one is my cream, and this is whipping cream. I also have some melted chocolate that I'll be using to fill my donut as well. Alongside, you need a piping bag. Another thing you should take note is before you start filling your donut, you have to allow your donut to cool down completely before you start adding your filling. The only thing you can do is only if you want to sugarcoat it. If you want to sugarcoat it, then you can do that while it's still hot. But for your filling, you have to do it when it has cooled down completely. For packaging, I'm using this mini disposable bowl to package my donuts. Another thing you can use is these mini boxes. So you can get those mini boxes and use it to package your donuts. And to fill your donuts, you need to poke a hole at the center where the line is. Then you use your spoon to poke the hole, just as you see what I am doing in this video. Once you are finished poking the hole, the next thing is to get your piping bag and you fill it with your filling. So the first filling I'm using now is my jam filling. So I just add that inside my piping bag. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'm just going to cut out the tip. Then I'll start to fill in my donuts. Can you see the way I am filling my donuts? So this is basically how to fill your donuts, and I'm going to repeat the same process with the rest of the filling. Use any type of filling for your donuts. You can be creative with your filling, but the most common and the regular one you see around is the jam donuts, the one that is filled with jam. So let me know in the comment section if you are interested I should make a video on how to make the ring donuts and how you can also coat that as well. So let me know in the comment section and I'll determine if I'm going to make a video about that as well. So my beautiful family members, this is what I have: my jam donuts and my chocolate filling, then the cream filling as well. So for this disposable bowl that I use, it comes with a cover, so I use the cover to cover it. Then I have this rope, I don't know the name of the rope, so I'm just going to use it to tie it. So that is what I'm doing. So that is just how to package your donuts. So I have this sticker that I want to stick on it just to finish it up. Then if you have your brand sticker, yes, you can use your brand sticker, or if you don't have, you can get this sticker. It has a very lovely and cute note on it. So that is basically how to make your donut and be ready to cash out. So let me show you what the inside look like. This is the jam filling, and for the cream, this is what we have, and for the chocolate, this is what we have. So guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.